Welcome to the Royal LePage Oakville Area Annual Barbecue. We're going to have a great time today. We're looking forward to seeing everyone and having a great time together.
Hi there, my name is Caroline Bale and I am Vice President of Recruitment, Coaching and Business Development with Royal LePage. And I am really thrilled about joining the corporate leadership team to help grow our business across the country. We are looking at supporting our agents, our business managers, creating more strategic alliances, and basically letting the world know why Royal LePage is Canada's premier realty.
Well, welcome summer finally and our Royal LePage annual barbecue at the Glen Abbey office. I've been with Royal LePage for 27 years. There's nowhere else I'd go. My mother was started with Royal LePage 9 years before me, and my daughter joined me 5 years ago? 6 years ago. We have no plans to move. We stick around just for the barbecue.
I'm Melissa Salazar, the Director of Marketing and Client Solutions. So pumped and excited to be sharing new products and services coming to you really soon from print and digital. Looking forward to working with all of you.
We're here having a great time, finally back to active social life. And I love my brokerage because they're doing all that just for us.
I think I found my home. I'll be here for the rest of my life. It doesn't get better than that. Royal LePage rocks.
Thank you, Royal LePage, for organizing everything. Best brokerage.
You can feel like it's a family.
It's family.
Yeah.